What's up, users? This is my first video in our language, so I want to share how you can perform a 3D map. I think it is awesome, and I will show you how to do it. I have all the documentation, my own script in R. I will leave you in the video description everything about it in the R pops, so you can check. It is in Spanish, but I I think you won't have any problem with the script, and if you have any doubts, you can write me in the comments. So let's begin. This is my R Markdown in order to have the R pops. So you can find all the information is about the Mexico municipalities. So you can find everything at the INEGI. In the code you can search the all the information, all the links you can follow it. And first we need to load the SHP files, and I was performing it, but I have some problems because in Spanish we have the accents. So when you want to read some information, art won't read by default. So you need to use the parameter, this one. Yeah, the option, you need the right encoding in order to read the accents. With this you won't have any problems about it. So also here is the data from the population because we are going to do the maps. I don't know why I have anything in here in the viewer. Maybe I'm going to run the whole code. So while it is running, can explain. Well, this is like the most important part for me in the whole code because with these filters we will have the right information like the municipality, the geographic locations, and also the population. No? Let's download. Yeah. So with this filter we will have only the municipalities and also the population. So I won't explain this because it's not the what you want to see right now, but make sure you will understand this part that you have in the RPOP, which is this one. No? The next step will be the merge. Here you can use the left joint, maybe work for you. I use the merge. You you need to have precaution in this part because as I say at the start, if you choose like with the names of municipalities, so you have the accents here, no? And it will be a problem if you don't use the right encoding. Like I say, with this one, no? So we make the merge. Yeah, we can see right now the map. It's the Mexican municipality. I think it's 2,100. 79, something like that. Yeah, and what is beautiful in this is if you do a click in any part of the map, you can see the total population and the municipality name. So I think it's beautiful per se. What you can do in here, it's maybe add the state. I mean, it's some kind of logic because of the area, the geographic area, but it will be nice to add the state. Yeah, so this is like a previous step in order to make our own 3D map. I have some information about some states of Mexico, the total population in the state. Here we have per municipality the total population, and I do some extra for some states. I mean the whole population of the states, not the municipality like it's you can see onto the map, no? Yeah, so this is the part you were waiting for, the rayshader library. There is more. I start with some libraries you will need, but you will need some others. I have you need to install and also to use the library function. No? And first we need to create a ggplot object like here. Before that, before we can transform to 3D, after that we can make it with this code, and that's it. When this is similar when you do like a plot and make the zoom like here. Maybe it won't work. Yeah. Anyways, when you make the 3D map, another, yeah, this is the windows I was trying to talk about. So when you do the 3D maps, you will find another windows. So we will close this one, and you will have the map in 3D. Yeah, I think it's amazing because you can change the color palette and everything you want. And maybe, yeah, if you are plotting some, this is the video. Yeah, because I run all the my previous code in the RScript and not in this one. It's making the video again. But yeah, so we can move right now. So I think it's very interesting because if you see in the z-axis, you can see the density. So maybe it's useful for someone else. I think these 3D maps are beautiful. So this is the whole video. I hope you find useful, and if you have any comments, please leave below. Goodbye, users.